Unlocking everyday English, the power of well done. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to unpack a very common phrase that you've probably heard often, well done. This simple phrase carries a lot of meaning and is used in various contexts. Understanding it will not only boost your English comprehension but also your ability to express appreciation effectively. So, let's dive in and explore the phrase, well done. When someone says, well done, they are expressing approval or praise for something that has been accomplished successfully. It's akin to saying, good job, or great work. This phrase is often used by teachers, bosses, coaches, or anyone who is recognizing someone else's efforts or achievements. Example in use. After winning the soccer match, the coach said to the team, well done, everyone. But that's not all. Well done can also refer to the level of cooking, especially with meat. When meat is well done, it means it has been cooked thoroughly, with no pinkness left. Example in use. At the restaurant, John told the waiter, I'd like my steak well done, please. Understanding when and how to use well done is crucial. It's a versatile phrase that fits in formal and informal settings, but knowing the context is key. Informal contexts. In informal situations like congratulating a friend for an achievement or praising a child, well done is friendly and encouraging. Example in use. When a child completes a puzzle, you might say, well done. That was a tough puzzle. Formal contexts. In a work or professional environment, well done serves as a recognition of good performance, often implying that the result met or exceeded expectations. Example in use. After a presentation, the manager might say to the team, well done on the excellent work on that project. While well done is straightforward, there are variations that carry a similar meaning. Knowing these can help you understand and engage in conversations with more depth. Good job, nicely done, great work, excellent performance, bravo, often used to show admiration, especially after a performance. Each variation has its nuances, but they all serve to acknowledge someone's efforts or success. Praising someone with phrases like, well done, is more than just about acknowledging a job well done. It's an important part of English-speaking culture. It fosters encouragement, motivation, and a positive atmosphere whether in school, the workplace, or even in casual social interactions. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, well done. Remember, it's not just about the words you use, but also about the sincerity behind them. Whether you are praising an achievement or specifying how you like your steak, using well done appropriately can make your English sound more natural and heartfelt. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll be using English phrases like a pro in no time. Until our next video, take care and well done for taking a step further in your English learning journey.